Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your insights or your analytics on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New in the profile section, tap to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and this list you can find the third option, the insights. And new you can set the time, for example the last week, and you can find different information about your posts, stories, or reels videos. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.